Hello everybody, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but to make things up, I'm going to be playing Find the Fridges, so let's get started. Just silence. Oh wait, there was a fridge right here. I'm blind. Okay, moving on. There's a fridge right there, there's a giant fridge up there, and the birthday cake candle. I don't know if that counts as a fridge, but... I'm gonna go over here, change his plans. Why is there a wrench right here? Once I click it, I got a wrench. For some reason, what? Factory place thing? This is probably where the wrench needs to go since it's a factory, obviously. See a fridge right there. No. I'm not gonna. Oh, dang it. No! Okay, hold on, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna move the camera somewhere else. There you go. So I ended up getting the construction fridge. That's why I have 2 out of 100. I don't know any way I need to use this wrench. Very expensive office building. Who's that, King Kong? I'm gonna check in here. I have a feeling there's gonna be a fridge here. What's this? Is this a fridge? Oh no, I guess it's not. Please burn. Oh, there's a fridge. I found a pencil fridge. Okay. How about up here? Let's check up here. Oh. Office mug fridge. And my purse. Okay. I'm back. Oh my god, what happened? Why is there a rat right here? Doesn't make any sense. This could be an fridge. Never mind. I don't know what I was thinking. What is this? Find the laptops? No, it's find the fridges. Why did I think that was gonna be? Oh, it was the guy on the wall in the painting. I found the rich fridge. Oh, would you look at that? I just need to nail this. Dang, it's kind of hard. I got it! The helicopter fridge. Fridge Mart name. Did she just go in somewhere? Oh my god. I did not know if you guys just saw that. But that baking girl just went in somewhere. I don't know where she went, but what's this? I see a fridge in there. Just jump through the window, I guess. Noob fridge. He's watching a Find Fridges video. That's cool. There's a fridge right there. If I can just reach that. See, I can. I need to find a way to get that fridge. So I put that fridge that was on top of the roof, but I found this fridge in the wishing well. Okay, I just teleported. We're at some sort of obby now. Okay, I'll see if I can do this. Just to get a fridge, if it's for a fridge. I'll see what I can do. Oh! I'm in it! Okay. Found some stuff. What is this? Is this the fridge? Oh no, that's a home fridge. Oh, a pizza fridge! Okay. Okay, I just went in Grapeland and I see an obby. I left and I found a portal to some beans, so I'm gonna go later. Oh, where's some beans? Okay. Do I skip this or not? Ugh. Man, there's like a toxic fridge right there. Okay. It's a toxic gas fridge. I got close. Got it. Once we get this fridge, the video will be over. Okay, can of beans. The bean fridge. Actually, nah, let's get one more fridge. And then we'll continue a series. Okay. So, where should we go next? Let me check if there's anything on here. Oh, there's a chicken leg and greens somewhere. Here we'll climb up the ladder. Okay. What is this? Oh, an ice cream fridge. Okay. We just got the ice cream fridge. You know what I just noticed? I'm starting kind of to get obsessed with this game. Oh, there's a fridge right there. This Tom. Wait, that's Jerry? Okay. I'm not going back in there again. Time for brains. Skip this part because it's probably going to take long. I finally made it. You cannot tell me. I cannot tell you how long this took to get this fridge. I'm so happy it took like an hour to get this fridge. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.